Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what it do? It's your boy, Jackknife 2000. Hey guys, today we're gonna be taste testing the veggie hash brown cauliflower, guys. That's right, it's hash brown, but it's cauliflower. Now, how do I feel about that? I'm not sure, guys. This is gonna be a short taste test today, not a super long one, but these bad boys are to be kept frozen. This is how they look when you take them out the bag. I'll take one out the bag for you frozen. That's how it looks frozen right there. Okay, that's a frozen bad boy for you. Okay, and you just put it back in here for storage. Now, this is one that has been cooked. I just got out the oven, okay? It's no potato at all. Now, this was kind of expensive. It was $2.98, I believe. Green Giant, so it was $2.98. You can buy this at your local Walmart or pretty much any grocery store. I'm pretty sure that Food for Less and other grocery stores has this as well, but this is something that if you want to switch up and be just a little bit more healthier, you can purchase this item. So today, guys, we have a little bit of hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce there for you. And then of course on the plate itself, we have a little ranch and we have a little ketchup, okay? All right guys, so today we're gonna be trying this bad boy out with some water, okay? And I have an orange just to take any nastiness out of my if it is like totally gross, I got that. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and dive into this. This is the veggie hash browns, okay? Cauliflower taste test. Let's do this.
NANI?!
That's good. That's freaking good. Shit, that's really good. Like, it tastes really good. This is a plant instead of a freaking potato, cauliflower, and it tastes good. And honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna need this stuff, but for the sake of the argument, I'm gonna go ahead and try it with all these. First, we're gonna do the ketchup. Do just one little dab there, as you guys can see there.
For no reason at all!
Okay. Okay. Not bad, not bad. All right, so let you guys see what it looks like on the inside there. There's, I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. My autofocus is focused right on my face. All right, guys, here we go with the ranch. Let's dip it with the ranch. Not as good with the ranch. I'm not gonna lie, it's not as good with the ranch, but the ketchup definitely on fire. Definitely on fire with the ketchup. Okay, now we're gonna try the hot sauce. I usually get Crystal's Louisiana, but they didn't have it at the store, so I went ahead and bought this right here. This is like kind of sort of the closest it's gonna get. Let's go ahead and put a couple of dabs of that hot sauce on there. And that's more than just a dab. But we're gonna dab this portion in there. As you guys can see, there it is in hot sauce. Ooh, okay. It definitely gives it kind of a chipotle taste, kind of like a smoky chipotle taste. That's really delicious. That's really delicious, I gotta say. I'm gonna go ahead and just do some craziness here. I'm just gonna dip it in all of them. Hot sauce, ranch, ketchup, all on there. All right, let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, that's not a bad combo, but honestly, the ketchup and this would be just fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it. Really good, guys, really good. It's got a really good crispy taste to it, but it's also kind of soft on the inside, so it's not so much like, and it goes down smoothly. It's just really good. Like literally, it's really good. All right, so this is cauliflower. I don't really like cauliflower by itself, honestly, but in this setting, it's really good. It's 140 calories, and I'm not for serving. For 2 of those, it's 140 calories. It looks like whenever you cook this in the oven, you gotta put it on 425, and you have to bake it for 15 minutes, turning it over periodically, which is very easy. And then baking it until it's golden brown and crisp. Or you could put it in an air fryer for 400, Fahrenheit. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes, or you put it on a skillet, put a little oil in there. Kind of defeats the purpose, but hey, whatever. You gotta, if you don't have those other 2 options, you gotta do what you gotta do. Flipping halfway, 12 to 14 minutes. So yeah, it's a pretty easy dish to make, guys. And they even have ketchup right here on the package, guys. But yeah, this is really awesome. So you guys are probably wondering the rating. Because it's not hash brown and I'm a hash brown guy, I love hash brown. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give it an 8.5 because it's not real hash brown, but for what it is, what the product is, it's actually very delicious. So there you have it, guys, an 8.5, really good. You can pick it up at the local grocery store for $2.98, guys. Definitely go ahead and pick that bad boy up. And if I'm incorrect, I'll look up the price and I'll put it down below, but I'm pretty sure that's the price. But anyways, guys, this has been your boy, Jackknife 2000, and also I wanted to tell you guys, I want to let you guys in on something really quickly. My new saying on this channel is, let's make some memories. So in the beginning of my videos, my vlogs now, I'm gonna say, hey, this is your boy, Jackknife 2000, let's make some memories, guys. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, that's my new slogan. So let's make some memories on this channel. Why not, man? We're trying to go places, try to do things. Let's do this. But anyways, this has been your boy, Jackknife 2000. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace, love, and as always, my friends, 3 flowers grease. Let's make some memory, folks. Peace.
This is a Chucky Beat production.